UMA barang ba kan PP na Risu Belpara badai du Deputy Speaker Timothy Dishira ulakam belarhap man risanyo nagakam hadin ba tinang ba kajela kondat kisang ma lapun u menmet ba un risanyo nagakam Deputy Speaker habakran mentakas ngi ka pratrik nailul ajalapsan u Timothy ulaong ba ukram ong ai na ai kadaw ba un risany hanrei usupha ba un risany bat kumu breu ba ko ngo sneng ya ka party urisan bet kumbala betha kibana jerong ulaong ba kli ru ya kadaw nai kum ubreu ke parti usu ko ngo bai bat ulaong ba tip bat kasyong baro hakarai terang ba bat ulaong ru ba ukloi ban sim ya kanu no kam ka bansa bensiat u timoti di sira wala resign no kam deputy speaker mentak sengi hak por kena ba James step hak bawa ay city house speaker ba apdiang ru ya kane ke city jong hak wai kaliang ayo jingtip ba ya kam deputy speaker la ban Shimti na OMA ke melim uba Ronnie windo obrang surung sek NPP Dangshen.
I don't have any further comment. That's all.
So why the decision suddenly?
Suddenly, decision is up to our party high command.
So is there a push for other MLAs to, take over?
That also I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM. Then he said, "Well, you better resign tomorrow." So I resigned. He said, "Well, party man, I cannot say no."
But you should have said why. You should have protested.
I did not ask why also because I don't like to ask why. Because I know it is prerogative.
But you are the most senior person.
Even then, you say, as a senior most party man, I should not ask him also. It depends on his wisdom.
Don't you think that you should know the reason? But you are perfectly all right now. There is no sickness. Why somebody has to say that you have to resign immediately?
That is why I say I don't have any further comment on that. Because you see, I have tendered my resignation as per the direction from the party high command. And say what I am asked to do, I have done it. So it depends on the what is called the wisdom of the Shem, whether he asks me to sit somewhere or go somewhere, that also I don't know.
But under such short notice.
That also I don't know. I did not ask him why I should resign.
Not even a single word was said. Why? The reason why?
No. Till now.
Maybe you will be accommodated in the cabinet, in the reshuffle.
That also I don't know. I say it is his prerogative, I tell you. Yeah. I don't know whether I'll be inducted or I'll be thrown away or I'll be sent somewhere else. I say.
So, but does this make you angry?
Huh?
Does this make you angry?
It's not too early, I think. They want to do the election of the deputy CM within this session. So I have to keep way.
So are you not angry?
Huh?
Are you not angry?
Huh?
Angry.
No, I'm not angry. I'm not angry. I'm quite satisfied.
So
This is my nature. I never get angry.
Sir,
In politics, so far as politics is concerned, I never get angry.
sir, what?
At about 11 at night, when I was about to sleep,
And,
suddenly I got it.
and today, what time you resign? Sir?
Before 9:30,
So he
so
has,
far I remember.
not explained to you the reason why you should quit.
No, I did not ask for explanation also. I didn't ask him also.
But is it not a logical, normal thing? The question comes.
I have a full trust in him. I don't know. You see, so I cannot say no because he's my most favorite CM.
So who will be succeeding you?
What?
Who will succeed you as a deputy speaker? Next deputy speaker, who will be?
Next deputy speaker, that also I don't know. Who will be, whom they will pick up for deputy speaker, that also. You see, it is not within my knowledge.
But are you giving any suggestion?
No. I'm not giving suggestions. I don't know. I don't give you any suggestion.